Alright, so you have an image, like the chicken, and you want to grab different things of your chicken. This is all about selecting. Photoshop has a whole bunch of selection tools that you can use. Here's the most simple ones. This one right here is the rectangular marquee tool. Basically, you can just click and drag a section. That's now your selection area. And whatever layer you're on. So I'm on layer 0, the chicken, so it's going to grab that portion of the chicken. Now you just go edit copy. Go back to my other graphic, food, and then edit paste. Okay, and there's the head of the chicken. You can pick them up, move them around. Now let's say I go back to my chicken. What are some other options? Well, in addition to the rectangle, you also have the circle. So if you want, you could grab a circular portion and do the same thing. If you don't like your selection, just go select, deselect. Oops, no, I really like that selection. Select, reselect. Okay, puts it back. Another tool you have here is the Lasso Tool. The Lasso Tool can be useful at times. Basically, all you do is you pick it and you draw out your selection yourself. Now, obviously, you can be a bit more careful than I'm being here. And once you've got your selection, I can do a little edit. Copy. Go back to my food. And edit paste. Now, there's also tricks. If you don't like the way that that looks, there's ways I can smooth that out that we'll learn later. Back to the chicken. Get rid of this. Select. Deselect. Now another tool with the lasso here. There's a magnetic lasso. What this one lets you do is you start to click. It'll actually lay the lines down for you if you go close and careful. And so it's actually a much easier way if you're trying to grab something. But as you can see there, not totally perfect. And so, let me just wrap this one up. You can see there that that one, helps you a little bit when you're trying to do those hand-drawn ones. Select, deselect. Popular one, you may have seen one of the other videos, is the Magic Wand tool. Magic Wand selects a color. So if I click in the belly, it grabs all similar color. You can set how detailed the colors get with the tolerance here. I could say tolerance 3. Now when I click, you can see not quite as much is selected. But if I say my tolerance is high, like 88, now it's more lenient on what colors qualify, so it grabs a lot more. For some pictures, this is really good. You can even hold the Shift key and add in and click on other portions, so you really have everything. This is the slow way to get the whole chicken. And you just keep going and going. The final way we're going to do here is I'll use the magic wand in a slightly different way. I'll select the white, and then I'll hold the Shift key and select this white, add it in there, and I'll keep the Shift key still down and click again. I have all that white, and now I've got all the white. Now I can do little tricks like edit clear. Another really good trick you can do is if I want the chicken now, is I can go select inverse, and inverse flips it around. Now I've got just the chicken. So that's a clever little trick you can use. That's really it for the basic selection tools. And then usually when you have something selected, you do something to it. You copy it, you paste it, or you turn them purple. Okay, I can't turn them purple. There we go. Bye-bye, purple chicken.